There has been a massive wave of news lately regarding a sudden explosion in electric vehicle (EV) sales. From the United States and Europe to Australia and Asia, showrooms are seeing record-breaking foot traffic. This surge hasn't gone unnoticed by the fossil fuel industry, and we are starting to see a very specific kind of pushback. Recently, articles have begun circulating with alarming headlines designed to make potential buyers think twice before making the leap to electric. One such narrative focuses on a supposedly shocking hidden cost: tire maintenance. The claim being pushed is that EVs will bleed your wallet dry because they chew through tires at an alarming rate. However, when you look past the sensationalism, the reality of EV ownership remains overwhelmingly positive for your bank account and the planet. As we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. The recent spike in EV interest isn't just a random trend. It is a rational response to global instability. With fuel prices climbing due to conflicts in the Middle East, consumers are looking for energy security. In Australia alone, online searches for EVs jumped nearly 190% in just a few weeks. This shift has clearly rattled those with vested interests in the oil industry. Critics are now cherry-picking data to suggest that EVs are significantly heavier and more aggressive on their tires than internal combustion engine ICE vehicles. While it is true that batteries add weight, the 30% heavier figure often cited is an exaggeration. For instance, a Tesla Model 3 weighs roughly the same as a BMW 3 Series or a Mercedes C-Class. Furthermore, critics conveniently ignore plug-in hybrids, which often weigh more than pure EVs because they carry both a battery and a combustion engine, yet they rarely receive the same tire-shredding warnings. One of the most misleading claims involves regenerative braking. Some reports suggest that the force of regen puts immense pressure on tires, causing them to wear out prematurely. In reality, regenerative braking is one of the biggest money savers in an EV. In a traditional gas car, every time you hit the brakes, you are essentially wasting energy as heat and grinding down your expensive brake pads and rotors. In an EV, that energy is captured and sent back into the battery, extending your range while sparing your mechanical brakes. Most EV owners find they rarely have to replace their brake pads at all, which is a massive maintenance saving that the tire scare articles conveniently forget to mention. The idea that this process destroys tires is simply not backed by the experiences of the millions of drivers who use it every day. We also see anecdotal stories used as proof of these high costs, such as the tale of a driver claiming to be on his third set of tires in under 2 years. While these stories make for great clickbait, they don't represent the average experience. Tire wear is determined by one primary factor: driving style. If you treat every green light like a drag strip, your tires will wear out quickly regardless of whether your car runs on electrons or diesel. For the average driver, a set of quality tires on an EV can last tens of thousands of miles. Many long-term EV owners report that they aren't even halfway through their first set of tires after 25,000 kilometers. The hidden cost narrative falls apart when you realize that most of these complaints come from performance-heavy driving or a lack of basic maintenance like regular tire rotations. Ultimately, the attempt to scare consumers away from electric vehicles is a sign of how successful the transition has become. When sales are off the hook, the competition resorts to fear tactics. It is important to remember that the total cost of ownership for an EV, including fuel savings, lack of oil changes, and reduced brake wear, far outweighs the marginal difference in tire longevity that might occur. If you are looking for expert advice on making the switch, it is always best to consult independent sources who aren't funded by fossil fuel interests. By staying informed and driving mindfully, you can enjoy all the benefits of the EV revolution without the shocking costs the headlines want you to fear. The future of transportation is here, and it is a lot more affordable than the oil industry wants you to believe.